Hi, this is Samriddhi Sharma. I'm a counselor by profession and I was a student of batch 3 of Diploma in Psychotherapies by Psykey. Psyche, however, changed this mindset because it provided me with a platform where I was gaining not only the theoretical knowledge of the therapies but also I was gaining the practical experience because I was practicing with my fellow classmates. It was a very interactive and interesting way to learn. So, if you are someone who is actually interested in learning, who is willing to invest the time and energy, and who actually want to gain some skills and hands on experience rather than just a certificate or a diploma course, this is for you. And I'm especially grateful to Vaishali for being such a great mentor, for being a constant support throughout. Thank you, Psyche, for bringing out this.